I'm Emma, this is Mary Kate, and this is Sarah. Do you know where your water bottle goes? According to Container Recycling, about 60 million water bottles a year end up in landfills. With Green Water, we will reuse 100% of all recycled water bottles.
We think it would be best if you start selling in San Francisco because it is ranked number 8 in the top 15 greenest cities in the world and number 1 in the U.S.
Green Water's bottles start out being made from PET plastic, which is category 1 plastic, but with our recycling plan, like our future goal is that all of our bottles will eventually be made from entirely recycled green water bottles. So we'll start off with brand new plastic because you can't just have, I don't know, like you need to make water bottles. So we'll start off with brand new plastic, and then after people like recycle it, and so we'll use those same water bottles to make new water bottles. And the partnership we recommend that you make is with Envision Plastics because they agree to help you go through that process. So they'll do all the remaking of not remaking, but reusing of the plastic and make sure that it doesn't have any chemicals or bacteria in the plastic. They will make green water bottles out of the previous recycled green water bottles, so you don't need to put your time and money into a recycling plant of your own. So if you were to try to build your own plant, we figured out that it would cost like a heavy investment of around $1.5 million. So we think that outsourcing would save you a large amount of money, so that's what we recommend.
The water bottle itself is entirely green to represent our eco-friendly approach, and we will be printing all of the writing and the nutrition facts directly onto the water bottle to avoid having to use the paper. The shape and design of our water bottle is more interesting than a lot of others, so it stands above the rest to our customers, and it will draw their attention so that they'll want to buy it.
Our bottles are wrapped in plastic instead of using the plastic rings, which can end up in landfills or waters and harm animals. We're selling 10-ounce bottles in packs of 10 for around $7.99, 20-ounce bottles in packs of 6 for $9.99, and individual 20-ounce bottles for $1.99. Our advertising is we're going to take coupons in high schools and to save $1 on the water bottle.
And our target audience is teenagers and kind of older or younger adults who don't have the time to put in effort to do more than recycle, and they care about the environment but they feel like they can't do much. So by buying green water, they'll be confident that if they recycle it, it will go into a good thing because it will be remaking the water bottle that they buy.
We're also going to use a magazine ad, and this is what it would look like. It would be in National Geographics because our personas in their free time like to read about the environment. So this would grab their attention and allow them to read more about our product.
And then our Hulu ad is, we're going to use panning and zooming, kind of what you would see on a slideshow, but not like an actual slideshow. We'll use panning and zooming to focus in on the questions and statistics similar to in our magazine ad, and we'll use visuals that relate to those statistics. Our target audience, like we kind of mentioned, are really busy people, so they spend their free time with environmental magazines, and most of our high school students, or our high school audience, are really busy students, and so they don't have that much time to watch TV. So they'll use Hulu to catch up on their shows, and that's where they'll see the TV ad commercial.
Thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you in the future.
Talk to me a little bit about the integration of this product into high schools. I know that that's not 100% of the market that you're reaching for, but how do we really get our product into high schools? What's your thought process as far as the promotional piece?
We wanted to start putting them in vending machines.
Okay.
And so then when they see them in the vending machines at school, when we start handing out coupons, that'll give them an incentive to go to other stores and buy them outside of school, on the weekends and stuff, or with their family.
So in order to be in a vending machine, are we going to have to develop a partnership with an existing beverage company, or are we gonna do like our own vending machine? How are you guys envisioning that?
Well, I would think it would be in like normal vending machines that have like Gatorade and water and like those kind of like sports drinks.
So what do we have to do to get in those?
We'd probably have to talk to the schools, and I think where one of our persona schools just feel like it's, remember what the high school's called, I think it's like Cannon High School. And it's like the first certified green high school in San Francisco, California, so they would probably be happy to sell our water because it gets, it's like once you recycle it, we remake it into a new water bottle, so we're reusing the material.
Okay. And then, you said this, where are the other points of purchase? Where are the other places that somebody can buy our bottle?
Probably like Schnucks or,
Just normal traditional
Yeah.
grocery stores? Okay. If successful in San Francisco, how do we move from there?
I think we try to see where other green high schools are, like eco-friendly areas in the United States are, or even across the world.
Good job, girls. Thank you.